So in a tough stand, India has banned 16 Pakistan YouTube channels, which include names like Dawn News, ARY News and other YouTube channels on the allegations of that these channels were spreading provocative, communally sensitive as well as the false narrative against India, against the Indian Army as well as the security agency. So on these lines and basically on the recommendations of Ministry of Home Affairs India, the government has banned 16 Pakistani YouTube channels, and not just 16, but we are picking up from our sources that there are a couple of other YouTube channels as well which are on the radar of the Indian government, and similar sort of action might be taken up very soon. Not just these YouTube channels, we are also picking from sources that there are a couple of news articles reported by news agency, international news agencies, which was taken into consideration by the government. Specifically, there is a news article of BBC for which India has raised objection for using certain words which India seems that it is not fit to be used, because Pahalgam terror attack, it is a terror attack and it should be condemned accordingly. So these are a couple of strong action that has been taken up after Pahalgam terror strike. In the latest move, as per the digital strike that India has taken, it has banned 16 YouTube channels, and which had a cumulative subscriber base of more than 60 million. And the big point to take this action is that these YouTube channels were spreading false narrative against India. They were putting up contents which were justifying the Pahalgam terror strike or the terror attack, and they were putting up content which somehow raised communal tension, those who are watching it. So based on these lines, Ministry of Home Affairs recommended to take this big action to ban these YouTube channels, and now the government has banned, and so some similar sort of action might be taken up in coming days as well.